If you're looking to add a practical and stylish finish to your home, then look no further than Vision Windows Brighton Ltd. Each of our door products are made to measure, and you can choose from a wide range of options. As well as the smart finish and security of UPVC doors, we are able to offer truly bespoke wooden doors manufactured to your specific requirements. Our made-to-measure bespoke bifolding doors can completely transform the look and feel of your home, giving you a wonderful light and airy feel. We can supply and fit a wide range of replacement windows from many leading manufacturers. Whatever you need, we have designs that would look perfect in your home. Our windows come in a choice of colour finishes and in a range of styles including contemporary, modern and traditional. All our windows are energy efficient to reduce both your energy consumption and your carbon footprint. Our experienced and helpful staff are always on hand to help you choose the right product for your needs, taste and budget. Vision Windows Brighton Ltd.